A very beautiful morning, all of you. Today we will see the vocabulary and grammar of this chapter. Okay, so let's start. So vocabulary: complete the sentences using suitable similes. Similes it means synonyms, but it is a figure of speech, and simile is used as a compare as one thing with another. Same. Okay, it's one type of similes. Synonyms. So, like the first one, he quickly discovered that his new friend was as smart as new friend जो है वो as smart as आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. You can write anything. As smart as Birbal, as smart as my brother, as smart as my father, whatever. Okay, आप किसी क्योंकि कोई पूछने नहीं जा रहा आपका भाई कितना स्मार्ट है ना. So यहाँ पे आप so many synonyms लिख सकते हैं. So he quickly discovered that his new friend was as smart as my brother. Okay, as smart as Birbal, like that. With his long legs and neck. Second number, with his long legs and neck, he appeared as tall as like a giraffe. Okay, giraffe. The crashing waves in the ocean were forming. जो समुद्र के अंदर जो फॉर्मिंग होता है वह लाइक अ शॉप में से जैसे फॉर्मिंग होता है और वॉशिंग पाउडर है ना वैसा आप लाइक लिख सकते हैं शॉप वॉशिंग पाउडर और हैंड वॉश. ओके, नाउ द नंबर 4. The sharpened his pencil until he lit a sharp like knife. Okay, sharp, the synonyms knife or sword. Okay, my little brother is as funny as. My little brother is as funny as. So clown, joker. Okay, the old bread was as dry as dust. Okay, dry, dust or whatever. The answers may be well. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Now let's see the another fill in the blanks with the correct synonym of the highlighted word. Okay, so if the answer is false, it is less. Correct or untrue? So false synonym is untrue. Okay, this is the answer. Untrue. False synonyms untrue. And rest of all you will have to solve it. Okay, let's see the another grammar of this chapter. Okay, here. Okay, it's prepositions. So prepositions here, the prepositions are, okay, you already know that the main point of preposition is to create relationship between words. Okay, it creates a relationship between words. It gives information about location, direction, space or time. A preposition is followed by a noun and it is never followed by a verb. Prepositions never followed by a verb. It is followed by a noun. So Pranav plays tennis dash Sunday. We have to use in, on, at. Okay, it's like the marker pen is in the box. The marker pen is on the box. Okay, on the box and marker pen is at the box. अगर यहाँ पे place दिखाता है, okay, in भी place दिखाता है. In is used for the small places and in is used for the big places and at is used for the small places. Like I live in Navsari because Navsari is a big place, and if I say our school is at Dantage, so Dantage is a small place. So for the small place we use at, and for the big one we use in. I live in India. India is a country, it's a big place, that's why we use in, and otherwise we use at. Okay, for the small places. On is preposition, you shows the relations between two nouns. Okay, like marker pen is on my hand. Okay, So like that. So let's see the exercise. Pranav plays tennis this Sunday. It also indicates a time on Sunday. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it yourself. Let's see the another one. Choose the correct option. These are the in, between, under. We already know about that. It indicates a place. Okay. In between. Between means दो के बीच में. Okay. And under, like the cat is under the table. That is why it is an under. At, next to, between, under, above. Above means the buffaloes. Sorry, the fan is above the students. The fan is above the students. So fan is above the students. It means above. Okay, between, above, in front of, next to, under, behind. Behind means पाछळ, है ना, पीछे. The boys are hiding behind the tree. So it's also indicates a place. Now let's see the first one. There is a waste paper basket dash her desk. There is a waste paper basket dash her desk. In, between, under. एक डस्टबिन है, वो डेस्क के अंदर है. ओके, डेस्क में है, डेस्क के बीच में है या फिर उसके नीचे है. तो क्या आएगा? उसके नीचे. So it is an under. Okay, so try to do it, solve it this second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Do it yourself. Okay, read the blanks, understood its concept, then fill in the blanks with the option is given in the brackets. So this is enough for today. Okay, we have completed our chapter. So this exercise you will write down in your textbook with a pencil